your benchtop is installed, you can complete the cutout for your sink. Place your sink upside down on the benchtop in the position you'd like it to be installed. Once you've decided on the position, use the manufacturer's template to mark the cutout on the benchtop. To check the marks are level, measure from the front edge of the benchtop to the mark, ensuring the measurements are equal. Lay your sink over the outline to check your template and measurements are correct before cutting. The marked lines will be smaller than the overall size of the sink. Use a 10mm drill to drill out the 4 corners of the template inside of the marked lines. Using a jigsaw, cut between the holes along the marked lines. Depending on the design of your kitchen, you may also be cutting through the side of your cabinet. This is perfectly fine. Ensure you have adequate support underneath the cutout section before completing the last cut. Ask someone to assist you if you need. Check that your sink fits within the cutout. It is now ready for a licensed plumber to install the sink and connect your taps.